How to use voice changer on WhatsApp.
Hello everyone, this is Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started.
First of all, open Play Store. There search for Warm and Voice Changer WA Kit. Install this application and open it. After that, if you want to use voice changer to send voice messages on WhatsApp, then you have to tap on this record option. After that, the voice has been recorded and you can choose any one of the option to change the effect. After selecting it, tap on save. You can also rename this file. So here, and tap on OK. Just wait for a few seconds to skip the ad. After that, to send this file on WhatsApp or to send this voice message on WhatsApp, you just have to tap and hold on this file and tap on share. After that, tap on WhatsApp. Then select the people whom you want to send the message and here it's sent.
Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.